Okay, guys, let's go through this. Lesson 19, question of the day. How can we combine several different web pages into one website? Okay, cool. So we're just going to be linking pages. Okay, that's what this is. New code, we have this A. Okay, this is a link. This is a link tag. A. Making a multi-page site. A website should include more than one web page, and they should connect to each other. Here's an example of a project with multiple pages that are connected by hyperlinks, the blue underlined words that take you to another page when you click on them. So let's just take a look at what a hyperlink is. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, never mind, that's too long. Do this. Use the inspector tool to see the code that creates the hyperlinks on the top of index.html. So these are the links, okay? So look at the code over here. They're in A tags, okay? And then we've seen the href attribute before. We're going to use that here. Notice that that's in the opening A tag, okay? And then we have text, which shows us what the hyperlink says. Why do we need them, okay? And then a closing A tag, all right? Okay, I think that's about it. That's all we need to discuss here. I think let's turn the inspector tool off. Look, I click, it takes me to a different page. Why mosquitoes? Now, bite remedies. Bite remedies. It's a different page, okay? So let's move on to the next exercise. Adding links. This page is almost working, but one of the pages is not linked. Do this. Look at the working links and see how they work. Add code that will link from the index page to the Charles Bridge page. So we're on index, but it sounds like Charles Bridge. Okay, Golden Gate Bridge. There's Golden Bridge. That link is working. London Tower Bridge is working. Wait, okay, so which ones aren't working? Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, that one works. Go back. London Tower Bridge. This one works. Go back. Golden Bridge. This works. Oh, add code that will link. Okay, so there's no Charles Bridge. Okay, so we need to add a link to the Charles Bridge. Okay, I didn't understand that. So all I'm going to do, coder's best friend, copy and paste. I'm going to copy this link, put it on a line right beneath it, and I'm going to change this to Charles Bridge.html. Make sure you're doing .html because that's the link. And of course, we got to change this to Charles Bridge and not Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, so let's see. How are these on separate lines? Because I don't want these two on the same line. And the answer is they have a break tag. So we're going to copy that and put that in between lines 13 and 14. All right, so now we have them all on the correct order, and they're all there. Nice, excellent. That's a beautiful, beautiful image. So let's make sure we followed all the instructions. Add code. Yes, we did that. And there's no, maybe they'll have us do that in the next. Oh yeah, no. Okay, add code that will link the Charles Bridge page to the index page. Okay, so let's find out the go back code. So now we need to go. Let's go to one of the other pages. Let's say Golden Bridge, and let's find the go back link. Go back right here. And this is actually all, we just need to copy and paste it because all we need to do is link it back to index.html. Let's see what line they put that on. They put it below the paragraph, so let's put it below the paragraph. And now it should work. Yes, excellent. Okay, so that's it for exercise 3. Naming links. Just like images and files, Links should have clear names that help someone understand what page they are linked to. Do this. Read the code or click on the links to see where they go. Change the names of the links to make it clear where they will take you. Okay, read the code or click on the links to see where they go. Okay, learn more about roses. Okay. Learn more. Okay, so yeah, this is good. This is not good. I have a page at daisy.html. Well, I guess that's okay. Read the code or click on the links to see where they go. Change the names of the links to make it clear where they will take you. Sunflower. This one's definitely not good. Please click on my link to learn about more about sunflowers because you for sure will not regret it. Okay, let's see. Let's look at these codes. This code. I guess I would say learn more about roses here. Yeah, that looks, I think that's pretty good. Daisies. Okay, I have a page at, I'm going to say about daisies here. Daisies here. Or you know what? I'm going to just put here. I'm going to put daisies. Space. Boom. Here. I think that works. Not too crazy about this exercise. Okay. Link. Sometimes I've seen sometimes I've seen people like link the word link, so maybe let's do that. All right, let's see. This looks good. Please click on my link to learn more about sunflowers because you will for sure will not regret it. I'm not too crazy about this exercise, but give the link a good description that makes sense even without reading all the text around it. Okay, that's a good point. About daisies. You know what? Okay, so let's change this daisy one. And let's just put, we're just going to put daisies in there. Yes, that looks good. And I think instead of putting a link here, click on my link to learn more about sunflowers. Okay. Put that here. Sunflowers. Copy that, put that here, because you for sure will not regret it. Yeah, I mean, this one, I'm going to just put roses. Learn more about roses. Learn more about roses. Okay, yeah, there. Now I think we're good. That was exercise 4. Okay, exercise 5, naming new pages. You'll need to follow the same rules for naming HTML pages that you did for naming images. This page has some problems caused by poorly named HTML files. Click on the links in index.html. Okay, we're in there to see which ones are broken. Okay. Okay, Scotcheroos recipe. Okay, that one's broken. How to juggle. That one's broken. Fun facts about candy. Okay, this is the only one that's working. So change the file names and link href attributes so they follow good naming conventions, such as avoid special characters, make sure the name has specific meaning, use dashes or underscores instead of spaces, keep the name short. Yes. Okay, yeah, this looks ridiculous right here. How to make scotcheroos. Nah, just scotcheroos. Okay. Now let's fix that first of all. Okay, yeah, no. Yeah. Here. Let's see, does that work? Now it works. There's no way to go back though. But let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is supposed to be how to juggle. It's new 3 HTML. So let's just put juggle. C.html. Okay, so no, not C. We'll name it candy because it says fun facts about candy. And then we got to change the link to candy. Okay, so now we want to go. I don't think it says this in the directions, but we want to go to each of these pages and we want to have a back to home. We want that at the top of every page. So we're going to copy and paste this and we're going to put it at the top of all of our pages right below the opening body tag, except for the index page. Oh, wait, we already had that. Index, juggle, candy, index, scotcheroos. Scotcheroos does not have that, so definitely want that there. Okay, cool. All right, and that's it for exercise 5. Okay, navigation bar. So most websites use navigation bars to help you find your way around a site. They should be the same on every page. Do this. Look over the navigation bar on index.html. Okay, so unicycle, bicycle, tricycle. Add the same navigation bar to the other 3 pages. Excellent, guys. Copy and paste, a coder's best friend. All the lists. These are all the pages. Okay, so I think we're just gonna copy 3 links. Where was it? It was. I'm gonna put it above the heading. You might want to. I think it looks better. Personally, I think it looks better above the heading. And so there we go. And that's all we got to do for exercise 6. You always want a navigation bar, guys. Otherwise, you're just going to get lost on a website. It's just going to have poorly designed. You're going to have a poorly designed website. So let's take a look at this. Adding new pages. To make your multi-page website, you'll need to add multiple pages to your project. To practice, let's split the content on this sample page into 2 pages and link them together. Do this. Add a new HTML file by clicking Add HTML. Okay, new.html. The new file will appear in the files list on the left side of the workspace. Rename the file, either by right-clicking it and choosing Rename or by clicking on it while it's already highlighted. Make sure the name is unique, descriptive, and ends in HTML. Well, let's take a look at the page so we can see. About me. Okay, so tips for hair in general. Okay, so there should be an About Me page, and then there should be a Tips page. So we'll name this tips.html. Okay. Use HTML to fill out your new page. You can use content from, obviously, you can use content from the main page. We're just copying and pasting. Link to your new page from index.html. Link back. So we need to create a navigation bar. We're not just going to cut and paste. Here we're going to cut and paste. We're not going to copy and paste. Okay. Oh, they even gave us a hint. Look, content to move to a new page. Okay, so they gave us this hint right here, content to move to new page. And listen, don't just cut the whole thing, okay? If you cut the whole thing, you're going to take, yeah, okay, and they gave us a hint there. Leave these tags on the index.html page. So you're just going to cut up to here, okay? Now we're going to go to tips.html, and it all goes in the body, okay? Okay, so hopefully you can recognize that there's no style here. Why? Because we don't have the style.css tag. So let's go to index. Let's copy that. And then the last thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add a navigation bar. So let's Okay, so we're going to have an A, href equals tips.html. Okay. Pair tips. And closing A tag. Okay. And now we're just going to copy this. We're going to put this on tips.html. We're going to change it to index. We're going to say home. Okay. So now this is all done. You have a website. So if you click hair tips, it takes you to this page. If you click home, it takes you home. Okay, so that's it for exercise 7. All right, and now we got a couple of exercises, some challenges. External links, link to other people's pages. Okay, you can also make links that lead to other websites like Google using the A tag. Do this, look at the code that links to Google and see how it works. Link your favorite websites and tell us why you like them. Okay, so problem solving, introduction. What can I do? Googling it, boom. I'm gonna say YouTube. Search it up on YouTube. This is youtube.com. Okay, so let's take a look. Search it up on YouTube. Doris Rex believes that YouTube is the greatest resource. Okay, so that's it for exercise 8A. Just link something and make it fit into the structure of that HTML page. World's biggest waterfall. Images as links. Oh, yeah. You have learned that the text you type between A tags is what the visitors to your page will see and click on when using links. You can actually add other tags and content, such as images, to this space in your code as well. Do this. Look at the code that makes the first 2 images on index.html pages into links. Okay, so we have links. Boom. Use that same code pattern to turn the second 2 images into links too. Great. So angelfalls.html. So there's links. Okay. So notice that in the href they have a page here. Okay. Oh, those are 2. Okay, those are 2. So we don't want to copy that whole thing. We would just want to copy this, and we're going to put that here. Angel Falls.jpg. So this is Victoria Falls. So let's see if there's a Victoria Falls page. There is. So we're going to link Victoria Falls. And then here, Niagara Falls is that, yeah, and there's a Niagara Falls page. So let's put Niagara Falls HTML. Okay, now they should all be linked. Okay, I'm missing something. because I got a pink body tag. So what did I mess up? I'm going to pause this video and find the bug. Okay, guys, so I forgot to add the closing A tag. So be sure you do that. And they put it at the end. So I'm going to put it at the end too. They put it even after. Yeah, so you're closing the A tag after the image. And that's what turns the image into a working link. So very cool. All right, guys, that's it for lesson 19. Have a good day.